Beep. Bob. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Collier County in southwestern Florida, northern mainland Monroe County in southwestern Florida, Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida, until 1100 am. At 1026 am, a severe thunderstorm was located near Shark Valley's Tower, or 12 miles northwest of Homestead General Airport, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Homestead Miami Speedway, Homestead General Airport, the Redland, Kendall, Doral, Sweetwater, Florida City, Narania, Richmond West, Country Walk, Kendall Lakes, Leisure City, Everglades National Park, Fertile Bend, Zoo Miami, Goulds, The Hammocks, Princeton, and Royal Palm Ranger. Precautionary/preparedness actions: remain alert for possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for southeastern and southwestern Florida. & tornado. Possible hail threat. Radar indicated max hail size less than 75 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated max wind gust 60 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.